Hello, and welcome to the channel. If you want to find your Wi-Fi password, just a little quick tip here. You can obviously look on the bottom of your router, but if you changed your Wi-Fi password, which you are encouraged to do so from when you've got your router from your network provider, what you can do to find your Wi-Fi password is if you go down the bottom right-hand side of your taskbar here, and you find your Wi-Fi icon there, right-click on that, click Network and Internet Settings. On the next page that pops up, go down to the very bottom and click on Advanced Network Settings. And then the next page again, scroll down and click on More Network Adapter Options. And once you're on that page, you can see your connections that you've got on your computer here, like your Bluetooth and things. What you want is your Wi-Fi, which you can see on mine is on the right-hand side here. And it's obviously active. You can see the little green status bar there. Right-click on that, click Status. And then once you're on this page, you want to click on Wireless Properties just there. And once you're on there, click on Security. And you can say that'll be my Wi-Fi password here. And to find out what it actually is, you need to click on Show Characters. I won't be doing that obviously because I don't want to be, for my own security, show me Wi-Fi password to everybody. But if you show that, it would show you your text of your Wi-Fi password, which then you could obviously copy and, if you need to use it for anything else, might want to put your Wi-Fi password in your computer. Or you might have friends coming around and you might want to give them your Wi-Fi password. So that's how you do it. And then another little quick tip here is if I get out of that, go back to that, and then if you click on that there where I was at before, and you can click on Create Shortcut, and that will create a shortcut on your desktop as well. So if I close those down, you've then got a Wi-Fi shortcut back to that. So basically then you just need to click Wireless Properties, and again you're back to that again. So it's another quick way of doing it. And once you've done it once, you don't have to keep doing that long convoluted way of doing it. You can just have that icon on your desktop. Friends or family come around, asking for your password, Wi-Fi password, double click on that, Wireless Properties, Security, Show Characters, and then you've got your Wi-Fi password there. So it's just a quick, easy way of getting to your Wi-Fi password, because as I say, you quite often do change, well, you should change it from what you get when you first buy your router, and it can get long and complicated and you can easily forget it. So I hope that was of some use to you. If it is, don't forget to subscribe for more, and I'll see you all soon. Take care of yourselves. See you later. Bye-bye.